December 1st marks the official start of meteorological winter across Europe, a date that holds more significance than many realize. It's a day that signals a real and tangible shift in the seasons, as the landscape transforms almost overnight. The last hints of autumn, golden leaves and mild breezes, vanish, replaced by crisp, invigorating air, and a sense of anticipation for the festive season ahead. Streets begin to sparkle with holiday lights, and the atmosphere feels charged with excitement. For many, the weather on this day feels like a preview of the entire winter, influencing not just moods, but also daily routines, travel plans, and even the local economy. It's also the day Advent calendars are opened, a beloved tradition that builds excitement for Christmas, especially for children, who eagerly count down the days with small treats or surprises. A dusting of snow can turn a simple morning magical, transforming familiar streets and rooftops into a winter wonderland and inspiring spontaneous moments of joy. On the other hand, a burst of sunshine brings unexpected cheer to the countdown, lifting spirits and encouraging people to get outside and enjoy the season. For businesses, the weather can drive shoppers to bustling stores in search of gifts, or keep them home, shopping online instead, depending on how inviting or challenging the conditions are. It can also boost or disrupt travel and tourism, as snow and ice may cause delays, but also attract visitors to winter destinations. Whether it's a snowy morning or a bright sunlit day, December 1st truly sets the tone for the weeks to come, shaping expectations and plans. The ripple effect of this single day touches everything from cherished family traditions and cozy gatherings to bustling retail sales and community celebrations. That's why December 1st matters so much across Europe. It's more than just a date. It's the beginning of a season filled with change, hope, and shared experiences. Weather forecasts are our window into the future, especially on a day as significant as December 1st. They help us decide if we need boots or just a jacket, and whether travel plans need adjusting. Accurate forecasts are vital for safety. Pilots, farmers, and event organizers all depend on them. We check our phones and listen to the news, often without realizing how much we rely on these predictions. On December 1st, families and businesses alike turn to the forecast for reassurance. This year, the forecast is especially intriguing as it sits right on the cusp of winter. Meteorologists are piecing together data to predict if high pressure will bring sun or if low pressure will deliver storms. Weather forecasting is a complex puzzle, and every day, scientists work to solve it for us. The forecast for December 1st is more than just numbers. It's a story that shapes our plans and expectations. Predicting the weather is a fascinating blend of science, technology, and experience. In many ways, it's like solving a massive, ever-changing global puzzle, where every piece represents a different part of our planet's atmosphere. Meteorologists gather data from thousands of weather stations, ocean buoys, high-flying balloons, and even satellites orbiting above, all to capture a detailed snapshot of the atmosphere at any given moment. This vast amount of information is then fed into powerful supercomputers that run complex mathematical models, simulating how air, heat, and moisture will move and interact across the globe. These models generate detailed maps and forecasts, showing where storms might form, how winds will shift, or where temperatures could rise or fall in the coming days. But the atmosphere is incredibly chaotic. A tiny change in one place, like a gust of wind or a patch of warm water, can ripple out and affect weather patterns thousands of miles away. That's why forecasters don't rely on just one model. They compare several different models, each with its own strength, to gauge the most likely scenario and spot potential surprises. The final forecast always includes a human touch. Meteorologists interpret the data, drawing on their expertise and intuition to refine predictions and account for local quirks. Local geography and unique weather patterns can make a big difference, and experienced forecasters know when to trust the models and when to question them, especially in tricky situations. This blend of cutting-edge technology and human insight is what gives us the reliable forecasts we depend on every day, helping us plan and stay safe. It's the art and science behind every forecast you see, a remarkable collaboration between data, technology, and the people who bring the weather to life. A snowstorm is much more than just a gentle flurry. It's a powerful and sometimes dangerous event, marked by heavy snow, fierce winds, and visibility that can drop to almost nothing. When a blizzard hits, the world outside can quickly become unrecognizable, blanketed in white and whipped by icy gusts. Roads can be blocked in minutes, cars get stuck, and power lines may be brought down by the weight of snow and ice. Travel becomes hazardous, and even a short journey can turn into a real challenge. Emergency services are often on high alert, and communities must pull together to stay safe. But what creates such a storm? The recipe starts with moisture from the ocean, which rises into the cold winter air. Add a blast of cold air, often delivered by a fast-moving low-pressure system, and you have the perfect conditions for a snowstorm to form. When these forces collide, snow can fall fast and thick, transforming entire landscapes overnight. Streets, parks, and rooftops disappear under a fresh, sparkling blanket, and the world seems to slow down. On the flip side, a sunny winter day feels like a true gift from nature. The air is crisp, but the sun brings a gentle warmth that makes the cold more bearable. High-pressure systems bring sinking air, clear blue skies, and calm, peaceful conditions, perfect for a walk in the park, a family outing, or a visit to a bustling Christmas market. People come outside to enjoy the rare winter sunshine. The low winter sun casts long, dramatic shadows, and frost sparkles on the ground like tiny diamonds. Mornings are especially beautiful, with golden light glinting off the snow. Even when the air is cold, sunshine lifts spirits and brings a sense of peace and joy. Children play outside, and everyone seems to smile a little more. December 1st could bring either the drama of a wild storm or the tranquility of a sunlit, peaceful day. The contrast is striking, and each has its own beauty. Will it be the wildness and excitement of a blizzard, or the calm and comfort of a sunny spell? The answer is always uncertain. That's the question everyone's asking as winter begins, checking weather apps, watching forecasts, and peering out the window to see what the day will bring. The answer, revealed with the sunrise on the first day of winter, will define the start of the season and set the tone for the weeks to come. The weather map for December 1st, 2025, reveals a classic winter divide across Europe. A powerful jet stream is expected to dip south over the east, dragging Arctic air into northern and eastern Europe. Meanwhile, high pressure near the Atlantic will shield western and southern Europe, keeping them milder and more settled. This setup creates a stark contrast. One half braces for winter's arrival, the other enjoys a tranquil start. The exact position of these systems is crucial. A small shift can change everything. Central Europe sits on the battle line, likely to see a mix of sun, clouds, and perhaps snow or rain. It's a dynamic, ever-changing picture that meteorologists are watching closely. December 1st will showcase Europe's incredible weather diversity. For a white December 1st, look to Scandinavia and Eastern Europe. Forecasts point to Arctic air sweeping down, plunging temperatures well below freezing. Low-pressure systems will pull moisture from the Baltic and Barents Seas, turning it into snow. Cities like Helsinki, Stockholm, and Warsaw could wake up to a fresh blanket of snow. Expect persistent snowfall, gusty winds, and challenging travel conditions. A true snowstorm. Residents are prepared, but heavy storms can still disrupt flights and roads. The landscape will be transformed, and children will be eager to play in the snow. The arrival of snow marks the real start of winter and brings excitement and tradition. It's beautiful, festive, and a little bit wild. For much of the north and east, December 1st will feel like a winter wonderland. While the north shivers, southern Europe will bask in sunshine. High pressure over the Mediterranean brings dry, settled weather to Spain, Portugal, southern France, Italy, and Greece. Expect mild temperatures, perfect for outdoor cafes and strolls along the coast. Christmas markets in cities like Barcelona and Nice will thrive in the pleasant weather. Nights may be chilly, but daytime warmth will make it feel more like autumn than winter. The contrast is striking. Blizzards in the north, blue skies in the south. It's a reminder of Europe's diverse climate, all on the same day. December 1st in the Mediterranean is set to be bright, calm, and cheerful. December 1st will shape daily life across Europe in very different ways. In the snowy north and east, commutes will be tough and bundling up is essential. But the snow brings joy. Families will be out building snowmen and enjoying the winter scenery. The first snowfall signals the start of the festive season, transforming the landscape and lifting spirits. In the sunny south, people will take advantage of the mild weather, meeting friends outdoors and enjoying easy travel. Sunshine boosts mood and energy, making for a positive start to December. Even so, nights are cold and days are short. Winter's touch is still there. Dry conditions could raise concerns if they persist, but for now, the mood is bright. Every type of weather has its pros and cons. The key is to adapt and enjoy what the day brings. Whether you need snow boots or sunglasses, December 1st is a day to remember. Whatever the weather, preparation is key to a safe and enjoyable December 1st. In snowy regions, follow official advice, check on neighbors, and make sure your car and home are winter ready. Take care on icy pavements and don't overexert yourself when clearing snow. In sunny areas, make the most of daylight, get outside, enjoy the fresh air, and protect your skin if you're near water or at altitude. We can't control the weather, but we can control our response. Embrace the season, whether it's a winter wonderland or a sunlit day. Stay informed, stay safe, and make the first day of winter a memorable one.